children, fertility. Maybe somebody lost a child, or they have illegitimate children that they care for, or an infertility that they've experienced in the past. And Spirit is guiding me to resonate with someone in the collective that has experienced a loss of a child, or is experienced this loss of a child, or multiple children. And Spirit wanted me to bring out this particular card because it stood out that someone in the collective really needs the confirmation that you being in the nature is healing you.